How to get back deleted Instagram post. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to get back deleted Instagram post. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch Instagram app on your device. Log in to your account. Tap profile icon at bottom right corner of the screen. Select three-line icon at top right corner to access settings and activity page. Now scroll down and on the How You Use Instagram section, select your activity. Now scroll down again and on the Removed and Archived content, select Recently Deleted. Since I don't have any recently deleted content, if you have got any, it will be listed on the section. In order to get back deleted Instagram post, simply locate the post that you want to get back. Tap and hold it, and you'll get the option of restore. Tap on it, and then you will successfully get back deleted Instagram post. That's it. I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.